This lecture is a continuation of something we've already done. We saw how the all function is very powerful. It allowed us to skip the filter inside the pivot completely. For example, let's go back to the same example that we did earlier, and you would notice that in this one, what we had done was by using an all function, which looks like this. So my subcategory all, you notice that we calculated the total sales and we completely eliminated the filter from the subcategory, which means that the same number was being shown everywhere. Let us do an extension of this. So let's copy the data and I want to bring another element inside. So let us say my region as well, like this. Now we can see the total sales and you can see that the total subcategory is coming here as well, which means the same number 501,000 is coming for each and every one. What does this number mean? It means that the total accessories sale is 501,000. I'm sorry. This means that the total sales for the central region is 501,000. For east it is 678, south is 391, and west is 725. Okay. Let's remove the decimals to make it a little simpler to understand. Wonderful. Now, what we want to do is, we also want to see how the Allexcept function can enable us to see only this total. Now, you must be wondering, why is the total not there? Let's click on design and then make sure to add the subtotal at the bottom of the group. Now, you will notice here that we are getting a 167,380,107,532. What is this number? This number is only the addition of the sales for accessories for all the four regions. Similarly, this is for appliances and so on and so forth. And this is a number that I want to get in all the rows like this. Let us see how we do this. Power pivot, new measure. I want you to create subcategory subtotal using Allexcept, right? And this is how we'll do it. Calculate total sales. So far, very simple. The only slight difference is that we will not use all, we will use Allexcept, which means that it will return all the rows in a table except for those rows that are affected by the specified column filter. So if you think about what we have in the filter here, you will be able to make sense of it. So Allexcept, we are choosing our orders. The column name is our subcategory. And I hope it makes sense now. So what is it doing? It is not looking at the filter that I have because of my region, but it is showing me the total accessories sale in every single record, like this, right? So I hope that makes sense. If I remove everything, we're getting 167,380. And if I keep region and columns, you notice we're getting the same number in all of these. Remember, the function said that it excludes whatever you have kept in the column. So right now we have kept region in the column, and you notice we're getting the same result in every single one. And this is why we wanted to do it. Remember, we did not want to see 2.29 million in every single record. We wanted to see the subtotal of each category in every single record, like this. I'm not doing the latter half. Of course, now if you want to divide it by maybe the region-wise sale or the grand total, you can always do that.